Welcome back to Weekend Smile. I'm still a little lost for words. This young man is showing the true meaning of turn your hand and make fashion. Well, in this case, innovation. So Tyreke Hendricks is a remarkable 13-year-old who captured significant online attention by demonstrating his passion for technology through the remarkable transformation of an old radio into a Bluetooth-enabled device. So Tyreke is here with us to share his enthusiasm for technology and engineering. Good morning to you, Tyreke.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
How you feel being here this morning?
Well,
A little nervous?
a little.
You don't need to be nervous because you did this in a Tyreke. So take us from the top. First of all, which school you go to?
Guys, I.
Guys Hill High. All right. So you found an old radio and what? Decided me go make this work, you know. Tell me the story in your words.
My mother did have the radio here. She put it down because it never did a play. So I take it up and say I gotta try to fix it now into a Bluetooth radio. And then I pull it down and connect up the wire them from inside of here, so. And put it on the circuit board. Or I turn it on and say it works.
So hold on, the circuit board was already inside of the radio already?
No,
So where you find a circuit board now?
Out of a boom box.
So you took an older device, took it apart, and then you decided to just put all the pieces here together to make the Bluetooth radio?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So, I mean, so you just see it and say, all right, then let me just try and make it work. You know, you wanted to see what could happen?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So, you watch any YouTube videos? Because I know somebody there wondering, yeah, man, he watches for YouTube and decides they want to replicate it.
No.
He didn't? So how you know which wire would have worked with which wire? Because I'm seeing a whole heap of wires here. I'm gonna turn this, can I move it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn this to the camera a little bit because I want people to see that you've just put together a couple of wires. And of course, they're a little naked, which we're not promoting at all. I want you guys to cover this properly with some electrical tape. But you would have done this before, plug it in, plug it back out and see how it works, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so tell me now, how does this come together? You now plug it in and then what? You connect your phone to it?
Yeah.
Okay.
My mother boss, him fix like radio and then something there, and music box. Do you have sound and then something there? So when my mother work, I sit down and watch him do it, and then I decide to go try. I want to try, I see say work.
You're a boss. You're a boss. So your interest is in what? Technology and engineering?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, what do you want to do ultimately?
Well, I want to try to build more of these things and see how further I can go with them.
Yeah. Is this the first thing you've ever tried to build like this? Have you ever tried your hand at anything else? You tried to innovate anything else?
Yeah, I do. I fix DVD.
You fix DVD players?
Yeah.
But you realize that in 2023, we don't really use DVD players no more, but that's good though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so is it that you make the DVD players work once more, yeah, with the CDs?
Yeah, make it start work with the CD.
All right, mercy me. Okay, so what do you do at school right now though? What you study right now? What form you in, or grade?
Grade 7.
Grade 7, okay.
But I'm going to grade 8 now.
You want grade 8, okay. What you going to do this summer? Would you like an opportunity to maybe intern somewhere that has, you know, a company that does technology and engineering type work, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'd like that. Okay, so if they wanted to get in contact with you this morning, because it's a good platform to have that kind of conversation, how could they get in touch with you? Call your mommy?
Yes.
You want to give out your mommy number now? Okay, here what? Call TVJ. If you see this gentleman, this young man right here, and you think you could help him to further develop his abilities, call us, please, and we'll put you in touch with him. Ultimately, when you grow up, where do you see yourself?
We don't want to become an engineer.
An engineer? Yeah? Okay. Congratulations, son. I appreciate it so much. Wow. Impressive. Student Tyreke Hendricks, guys. Big engineer. Ooh, love that. Right before we take a break, we have a giveaway for our viewers. So we have 2 tickets for the JAAA trials tomorrow, Sunday, July 9. So the question is, name 2 field events happening today, Saturday, July 8 at the JAAA SDF Puma National Junior and Senior Championships. So call in with your questions, or your answers rather, for the question. And the first person with the correct answer will win the prize to go. Stay with us. Much more to come right here on Weekend Smile. Really cool.